Hello, I'm Matthew D. Perry of Perrywise IT Consulting. Just like it says, I'm an IT consultant, specifically a solution specialist. I work on hands-on and behind-the-scenes work, with a combination of 17 years of customer focus and technology, of troubleshooting, installing, documenting, maintaining various hardware and software, as well as being a contractor for IT, low-voltage cabling, telecom, and AV work, and let's just say, being a computer nerd in general. Perrywise is just an ecosystem for all of the above computer nerdery in all its forms. To sum up the bulk of my skills, I have years of experience in desktop support smart hands. I've also taken a bit of an interest in asset management and documentation. I have years of experience in customer service and communication dating all the way back to McDonald's. I've also done extensive studying into data analytics, cybersecurity, and networking. I have hands-on experience with low-voltage cabling and site surveys, and to put it all together, I am skilled in critical thinking and problem-solving. You see, I've been a computer nerd my entire life. As a child, the family computer was a basic DOS-based machine that simply had a word search app. You typed in a list of words, and then it jumbled everything into a grid. As a kid, it fascinated me, and I ended up playing with this a lot. I grew into hacking video game consoles as a teenager, loading patches into the architecture/firmware to be able to play video games that were, let's just say, hacked. Some of them have a translation patch, some of them were just foreign. Some of them I just wanted to pirate. As an adult, I have a love of technology that continues and persists to this very day, and I look to channel that into, well, IT and IT-related accessories. If anything, I've taken my computer nerdery to the next level and become a computer professional about it. I have an associate's degree from Computer Applications/IT from Cecil College, a bachelor's degree in Information Technology from Towson University, the CompTIA Network Plus and Security Plus, and the Udemy Data Plus, CYSA Plus, Pentest Plus, and Project Plus course certificate of completion. Also technically from CompTIA, except studying for those is a lot of time and money I don't have and people don't care for. As Perrywise, some of the projects I've completed is tech support for Morgan Stanley, firewall equipment installation for Hilton Hotels, First National Bank's Argo Connects project, Bank of America's bulk recovery program, Kleinfelder's lease swap program, and dozens of other jobs done about 500 jobs done over 2 years. Presently, I'm recording this Get Wise with Perrywise series because I have a goal in mind. I'm studying for the CCNA, and as a method of studying, I'm creating content. I'm going to have labs and lectures, and I'm streamlining some projects that will accentuate my networking knowledge to move things forward. I'm going for the CCNA because it's the next big certification on my list. The CloudNet X technically was the next one, but there's no study materials for that exam, so I can't learn anything from that. The CCNA is the next closest step, and the official on-ramp from CompTIA into Cisco. I've taken all the close to, if not all, the CompTIA exams I want to learn from, and I'd want to take the next step into solidifying my knowledge of networking and cybersecurity. From here begins the studying part of the journey. That involves hands-on studying with labs, lectures, recapping my existing knowledge from the Network Plus, as well as obvious hands-on experience. Flashcards, knowing terms and acronyms and details such as port numbers are key for any test questions. Unknown unknowns and how to handle them, both in networking and let's just say test questions. And most importantly, messing around and finding out. The official destination for all of this is simply passing the CCNA. I study for a number of certs, but don't take the final steps in actually getting them due to time, money, and let's just say how much people want them. The CCNA is actually one people pay attention to, so I'm actually going to get that. And the CCNP security is a very likely next step. Alright, in conclusion for today's Get Wise with Perrywise, we're going to be messing around with various technologies so we can find out about the CCNA. Until next time, I'm Matthew D. Perry of Perrywise IT Consulting, and you have a great day.